driving regularly. Approaching Charles Wright, 832.
We'll try to get sticks out on the Bridgeport.
Attempting to get 6 out on Bridgeport, 832.
The University Place sergeant was able to pull over and deploy his stop sticks to wait for the stolen vehicle.
Still eastbound, we're approaching Chambers Landing, Chambers Creek. Eastbound, Chambers Creek, approaching Chambers Landing. Right behind you.
The spike deployment was perfect and got all 4 tires flat. Unfortunately, the 4 juvenile suspects took off and we had to terminate our pursuit.
Hitting the sticks, 834.
Ready?
Officers later found the vehicle unoccupied and still running at 7500 Bridgeport Way.
Unreadable again.
Clear.
We're approaching the car. Approaching the car, 838.
Other deputies surrounded the nearby area and started to check for the juveniles.
There's a hole in the fence line here on the property. He's probably heading north through the parking lots, I'm guessing. And there's one unit north of me. I don't know who that is. I think that's Chris, maybe. They're down here. They're down here. Yeah, there's 2 down in the ravine right now.
This deputy could see 2 of the suspects down in a creek bed. He chose a very interesting way to get them to comply.
Don't make us release our canine! In the creek.
Yeah, they're working their way south in the creek. It's like one male, gray pants, black, hoodie jacket. Female, blonde hair, red pants, black hoodie, black and orange backpack.
Better stop! Over here. Hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
That's the best stick deployment.
You see me? I was like,
yeah.
I'm gonna pull him. I'm gonna pull him. He was figuring out what to do.